students, and a warm welcome to Supergrads. And today we'll be talking about yet another specialization, which is again a very important and a very crucial specialization for all the MBA aspirants out there. I've already made a video on all about MBA in finance, and today we shall be talking about all about MBA in marketing. Yes, a lot of students come with this confusion that which colleges should we be targeting for marketing, कैसे roles होते हैं marketing वाले profile के कैसे कैसे roles होते हैं. So these are some of the common doubts. So today in this particular video we shall discuss about top 7 marketing roles which you get after MBA from top B schools and IIMs. We shall be talking about the job profile, as in the roles and responsibilities associated with that particular role, plus what are the skills that you need for that particular role. Also, I would be telling you the salary that you get in that particular role, and we would also be looking forward to the top companies that come in IIMs and top B schools for different marketing roles. And yet another important thing which I'll be sharing with you in the end of this video, that is the top MBA colleges, top B schools that you should be targeting if you want to pursue MBA in marketing. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. So first, let us understand this particular thing, that which type of candidates or which type of students get into marketing or get into marketing roles, या companies कैसे students को prefer करती हैं for marketing. So number one is someone who has less work experience or no work experience. See, one thing over here is marketing is more of a qualitative work, more of communication work that you need to do over here. तो कई बार ऐसा भी होता है, you need to travel a lot if you are into a particular marketing role. So for those reasons, companies do not want a person who has already had a certain level of work experience, say of 2 to 3 years, yeah, who's an engineer maybe who has had a experience or who's from a technical background, because you do not need much technical skills over here. So that is the reason why they would prefer someone whom they train for 6 months as a management trainee. So initially जब आप किसी marketing role के लिए join करते हो किसी भी B school में, तो management trainee का role होता है in top companies like Wipro, PNG, HUL and all these companies. So as a management trainee, you are trained for 6 months and then you become area sales manager and all those things. So that is the reason why they do not require candidates who have a lot of work experience. So first reason is that. Second is qualitative skills. If you are creative and if you think that you have qualitative skills and you can put those skills and you have that understanding of the market and you can communicate well your ideas and everything, so then companies would prefer you. Third is strong communication skills. As I mentioned, of course, marketing is a vast area out there, so strong communication, interpersonal skills बहुत जरूरी है. Next, even if you have low scores in your 10th, 12th graduation, or maybe even in your MBA, still you can get into top FMCG firms like HUL or PNG. So यहाँ पे marketing role is not asking you to have a great score in your 10th, 12th or graduation, or maybe in your MBA, but that does not mean that you would not score well when you're in top IIM or a B school. You have to maintain your MBA scores over there, but here there is no such prerequisite requirement or something like that कि आपका एक अच्छा बहुत अच्छा phenomenal score होना चाहिए in MBA. So these type of people, or if you think that you land up in these particular criteria, then definitely companies would prefer you for a marketing role, because marketing role is something that anybody can get into. It is not that great, it's not that vast कि बहुत ज़्यादा हमें numbers के या technical skills ने technical know-how की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है. Strong interpersonal qualitative skills, if creative thinking, if you have strategic approach you can implement, so then you can get into marketing. So the very first role that you get after you complete your MBA in marketing is of an area sales manager. As I mentioned, कि initially companies hire you as a management trainee, wherein they train you for maybe 6 to 8 months, और उसके बाद आपको area sales manager का जो role है वो offer होता है. Now what are the responsibilities or what is the job role of an area sales manager. So for example, you're a management trainee at a top FMCG firm. Now एक चीज यहाँ पे नोट करने वाली ये भी है कि अगर आप प्रेफर करते हो मार्केटिंग प्रोफाइल में जाने का, सो यू शुड बी टारगेटिंग द टॉप एफएमसीजी फर्म्स, क्योंकि बी स्कूल्स में लगभग ज्यादातर जो मार्केटिंग रोल्स होते हैं, जो फिनोमिनल मार्केटिंग रोल्स होते हैं, वो एफएमसीजी फर्म्स ही ऑफर करती हैं, लाइक HUL, PNG, then you have Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, and all these firms. So, for example, you will be in an area sales manager. For example, you will be a head of maybe Bihar or Punjab, and you will have a team of 10 to 12 sales people in that area under you. You have to manage those people basically. कि अगर आपको एक particular region मिला है, for example बिहार, तो उसका एक particular revenue target आपको achieve करना रहेगा. So that is the profile of a area sales manager. So you will be managing the sales of that particular area when you have 10 to 12 people or maybe a team of 20 people under you of that particular area. Next, what are the skills that are required for an area sales manager? So you need to have a hands-on experience in sales. So sales आपका phenomenal होना चाहिए. आप वो चीज अगर अच्छे से manage कर पा रहे हो, if you're able to identify your team and the key problems that are associated with that particular area, or how you can increase on the sales of that particular area. So that is one major skill that you need to have. Next, professional certificates. Although it is not mandatory, but if you have some professional certificates during your graduation or later in graduation, so then it would work over here. Strong management and communication skills. As I mentioned, communication skills is very important. Next, having analytical knowledge. Again, you need to analyze, you need to assess a lot of things. Since area sales manager, you're managing your team, so you need to also assess कि क्या problems आ रही हैं, क्या challenges आ रही हैं. If there is a certain loophole in that particular area that a lot of revenue is not being generated, so you need to also identify all those things. Okay, now what is the average salary of a area sales manager? It is between 25 to 30 lakhs. So top companies like Asian Paints, as I mentioned, HUL, PNG में इतना salary जाता है average, which is between 25 to 30 LPA. नेक्स्ट रोल इज ऑफ अ ब्रांड मैनेजर. नाउ अब 2-3 साल आप जब एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर एज एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर काम कर लेते हो, उसके बाद यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट that you can become a brand manager later, because unless and until आपने कुछ बेचा नहीं है, आपने कुछ सेल नहीं किया है, आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो कि आप किसी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी के या पर्टिकुलर फर्म के ब्रांड मैनेजर बनो. यू कुड बी अ ब्रांड मैनेजर ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी ऑल्सो. So here, what is the job roles of a brand manager? Brand manager is liable for overall picture of product or an organization. So आपको एक particular product का या तो brand picture कैसे create करना है. Suppose for example, if we talk about Maggie, so immediately you get that picture in your mind that it will be ready in 2 minutes. So these are certain qualities that a brand manager needs to have. Key components of the job are exploring the marketplace to figure out where the product fits in, as in wherein the product would fit in, setting the right image in the minds of the target audience. Next, responsibilities include analyzing competitive positioning, products, brands and spending. कितना आपको spend करना है आपकी कंपनी में. अगर कोई brand ambassador या कोई brand face होगा कोई कंपनी का, तो कौन होगा, who would be the brand ambassador, what would be the budget of that. So all these things you need to decide. Next, managing budgets and developing marketing and advertising strategies, making plans, designs for print and digital advertising. Advertising किस तरीके का होगा. So these are certain roles for brand manager. Directing promotional activities and evaluating sales and pricing. Re-evaluating how the brand can appear to be more attentive and shopper based. So these are few responsibilities of a brand manager. Now, what are the skills that are required? So you need to have strong attention to detail skills. आपका ये skill बहुत strong होना चाहिए if you want to become a brand manager. Next, you need to be self-motivated and able to motivate others. You need to be good at prioritizing multiple tasks. Reach a good level of writing, listening, communication, and presentation skills. Now, of course, when we talk about a brand manager, a lot of things come into mind कि किस तरीके से आपके ब्रांड का पोजिशनिंग होना चाहिए, टारगेट ऑडियंस क्या होना चाहिए, एरियाज जहां आप केटर करोगे वो कैसे होने चाहिए, द प्लेस price distribution, and all those things, physical distribution, all those things matter when you are a brand manager. Next, what is the average salary of a brand manager? Now it lies between 40 to 50 LPA. Of course, पहले आप area sales manager होते हो, उसके बाद ही आप brand manager बनते हो. So here the average salary of a brand manager is 40 to 50 LPA. Next role that we have is of market research. So basically, what is the job role of a market research analyst? So जैसे आप area sales manager हमने देखा कि आप एक particular area के sales manager होते हो, wherein you manage a lot of people. Suppose in that particular area ऐसा हो रहा है कि कोको कोला के जो सेल्स हैं वो ज्यादा इंक्रीज नहीं हो रहे हैं ना पर्टिकुलर एरिया लाइक बिहार. सो व्हाट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अ मार्केट रिसर्च एनालिस्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई द नेसेसरी प्रॉब्लम्स और व्हाट द एक्शन कैन बी टेकन. सो उसके रिगार्डिंग एक क्वालिटेटिव और क्वांटिटेटिव रिसर्च करना होता है. सो ओनली इफ यू आर गुड विथ नंबर्स, इफ यू फील कि आप नंबर्स में बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे हो, then you should be going ahead with the being a market research analyst, because market research analysts need to be good with numbers, data and all those things as well, क्योंकि आपको बहुत सारा research करना होता है. So maybe you might be making a particular questionnaire or a survey, and you would be making certain plan with regards to understanding कि क्या problem आ रही है उस particular area में, कि वहां पे जो sales है नहीं हो रहा है उतना. So you need to monitor, forecast market sales and advertising trends. You need to collect, analyze data on consumers and competitors. You need to evaluate effectiveness of marketing strategies and campaigns. You need to also optimize data gathering methods and tools such as surveys, polls, as I mentioned, and focus groups. You need to create reports, tables, graphs to transform complex data into actionable recommendation. You need to also present findings to business leaders, marketing specialists, and other stakeholders. Now, what are the skills that you require to become a market research analyst? You need to be able to make connections between various data and form. Of course, आपके data driven skills बहुत strong होने चाहिए if you want to be a market research analyst. Next, you need to locate hidden details in the research findings. ये एक और important skill है. Use problem solving skills to identify shortcomings and opportunities within the marketplaces. Must be well versed with data visualization programs like Tableau and Power BI. As I mentioned, you need to be very data driven and you need to be good with numbers. नेक्स्ट, नाउ एवरेज सैलरी जो है ऑफ अ मार्केट रिसर्च एनालिस्ट वो ज़्यादा नहीं है, और इनफैक्ट ज़्यादा बी स्कूल्स में आप देखोगे भी नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा ऑफर हो रहा है टू अ मार्केट रिसर्च एनालिस्ट या बहुत ज़्यादा रोल्स आ रहे हैं. सो टिपिकली द एवरेज सैलरी दैट यू गेट आफ्टर यू डन विथ योर मास्टर्स इज बिटवीन 12 to 17 LPA. ओके, नेक्स्ट रोल, नेक्स्ट अनदर ग्रेट रोल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का रोल है. ना डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में भी बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप्स होते हैं. अब ऐसा है कि MBA जैसे आप एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर हो, सो यू आर डूइंग अ ट्रेडिशनल फॉर्म ऑफ मार्केटिंग ओवर हियर. यू नॉट डूइंग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज more modernized, as you all might be aware. So even people after the graduation also pursue a certain course and then they get ahead with the job. So अगर मास्टर्स डिग्री भी आपने किया है, तो यहाँ पे देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटर्स आउट देयर. क्वांटिटी बहुत ज्यादा है, but the important thing is how good are you as a digital marketing. Quality matters over here. So यहाँ पे जो role होता है, of course, that is managing the social media accounts. You need to prepare posting SEO content on the website. Then you need to monitor, improve search engine rankings, creating email marketing material, maintaining and analyzing online campaigns and your online performance. So अगर किसी भी brand का या किसी product का आप digital marketing देखते हो, so one important trait or one important quality or skill set that you need to have is you need to be very much updated with the new trends. तो आप पुराने ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो करके ये नहीं कर सकते कि वो सेम ही चीज या सेम ही चैनल या सेम ही ग्रोथ के फॉर्म में आगे ग्रो नहीं कर सकते किसी प्रोडक्ट को. यू नीड टू बी अपमार्क्ड विद द new trends and the new technologies that come ahead in this particular field. Next, किस तरीके के job roles होते हैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में? It's SEO manager, content marketing specialist, social media manager, marketing automation coordinator, and digital marketing manager. Now, what are the skills that are required for you to be a digital marketer? Strong communication skills, of course, it's required. Analytical and strategic thinking, again. creativity and ability to think outside the box, adaptability and ability to pivot when needed, passion for learning and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Because as a digital marketing, आपको performance marketing, organic marketing, ये सारी चीजें भी करनी पड़ती हैं. तो it is very important that you stay up to date with the trends, latest trends that are coming in and out. So that is the most important skill set. Now, what is the average salary that you get in a digital marketing position, be it any position? So, average salary lies between 8 to 20 LPA. Now, अगर Google जैसी कोई firm आ रही है, so definitely वो 20 LPN plus ही offer करेगी. But the average salary when you do MBA from a particular B school, top B school or anything, so average salary lies between 8 lakhs to 20 lakhs. Next role is a pre-sales role. So pre-sales क्या होता है पहले तो ये समझ लेते हैं. Pre-sales is basically IT firms में ज्यादा ऐसे roles होते हैं pre-sales type के. It is not direct sales जहाँ पे आपके कुछ targets होंगे, वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है ये. So अगर मैं आपको example दूं तो for example if you are working in TCS and TCS को एक प्रोजेक्ट मिला है Amazon का एक पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट या पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी का जो वेबसाइट है वो डेवलप वो मैनेज करना है. सो डेफिनेटली उस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए यू माइट बी टेकिंग अ टाइम ऑफ 2 to 3 months. सो बेसिकली सच रोल्स प्री सेल्स वाला जो रोल होता है वहां पे आपको बेसिकली बताना होता है टू दैट पर्टिकुलर फर्म जिसका प्रोजेक्ट आपने लिया है टू मेंटेन द वेबसाइट एंड यू नो एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट वेबसाइट. तो आपका काम ये हुआ कि आप एग्जैक्टली प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करो और जो सजेशंस दे सको फॉर द इम्प्रूवमेंट. सो व्हाट आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ओवर हियर, डिटेल में वो देख लेते हैं. आईटी फर्म्स में होता है प्री सेल्स रोल. सो वेबसाइट मेंटेनेंस हो आप कर सकते हो फॉर टॉप फर्म्स लाइक Amazon, फ्लिपकार्ट. सो डेफिनेटली अगर आप प्री सेल्स रोल के लिए जा रहे हो तो आप किसी आईटी फर्म में ही जाओगे. नेक्स्ट, कोई स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रिक्ट टारगेट नहीं होता है नॉर्मल सेल्स जैसे, बट यस अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन का डेडलाइन है तो आपको वो प्रोजेक्ट उस टाइम पे कंप्लीट करके यू विल हैव टू सबमिट इट. Next, prepare cost estimates and technical proposals such that they meet the client's requirements. So suppose if a client is coming, या उनके requirement के हिसाब से आपको जो भी है costing करके देना पड़ेगा कि वो ये कर सकते हैं अपने website में include कर सकते हैं ये particular चीज they can include in that particular product. Next, help sales executive during the technical presentation. So technical presentation के time पे basically pre-sales people, pre-sales engineers are the bridge between the sales team and the market. Next, respond to a request for information, RFIs or request for proposals from customers. So ये कुछ customers की जो requests आते हैं you need to respond to that as well. Next, determine the technical requirements to meet customer goals. Now here in the pre-sales role, if you're a pre-sales engineer or a pre-sales consultant, so you need to have a strong technical knowledge. So that is one mandatory skill set that you need to have. Skills, strong communication skills बहुत जरूरी हैं as you need to get engaged with client. जो भी client का project आप handle कर रहे हो आपको उसके साथ constantly engaged रहना पड़ेगा. Analytical skills, technical skills, problem solving skills, teamwork. You will have to work with the sales team also over here. उनको आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि ये इशू है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, कस्टमर का ये रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्लाइंट का ये रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई यू नीड टू हैव गुड टीम वर्क स्किल्स टू एंड स्ट्रैटेजिक थिंकिंग स्किल्स, बिकॉज आप ही प्रपोज करोगे कि क्या चेंजेस करने चाहिए, what could be the optimum way to solve this particular problem. So you would be suggesting all those things. So that is the reason why you need to have strategic thinking skills as well. Now, what is the average salary of a pre-sales engineer? It lies between 12 to 16 LPA. Next is the role of a category manager. Now, what does a category manager do? So, आप किसी particular category के head बन जाते हो. Suppose आप category manager के जो roles होते हैं वो generally e-commerce companies like Flipkart, Amazon इन सब में होते हैं. सो सपोज आप Amazon में किसी पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी है, फैशन है, पैंटरी है, देन यू हैव ग्रोसरीज और मोबाइल फोन्स, किसी पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी के आप कैटेगरी मैनेजर हो, तो आपका काम होगा जहां से भी सप्लाईज आते हैं उनके साथ मैनेज करना. सपोज आपको HUL से यू हैव टू आस्क फॉर मोर supply of Dove or something like that. So you will be the category manager and you will have to channelize the distribution and everything. या आपको अपने Amazon में ये product कहाँ पे position करना है और किस तरीके से रखना है, how much of the quantity of this particular product should be showcased. So that is the role of a category manager. Collaborate with the sales team. Again, यहाँ पे भी collaboration रहता है with the sales team. Build good relationships with vendors. Of course, आप अगर category में हो किसी पर्टिकुलर तो आपको बाकी वेंडर्स से अच्छा रिलेशनशिप रखना पड़ेगा सो दैट वेन एवर यू फील कि नहीं ये पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को स्टॉकअप करना है और वी नीड सम मोर good line of this product, so you need to have a good relationship with the vendors. Then provide training to the sales team. Again, category manager का एक और टास्क होता है सेल्स टीम को कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्रेन करना कि अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट है हमने उसको यहाँ पोजीशन किया है, सो हाउ शुड द सेल्स टीम ड्राइव दैट प्रोडक्ट, उसको कैसे बेचना है, दैट द कैटेगरी मैनेजर विल टीच. नेक्स्ट, ट्रैक सेल्स परफॉर्मेंस. अगेन आपका काम है सेल्स परफॉर्मेंस अपने टीम का ट्रैक करना. मोर और लेस एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर जैसा ही है, बट देन एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर में आप पूरे एरिया को देख रहे हो, यहाँ आप एक पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी को हेड कर रहे हो. नेक्स्ट, हेल्प इन प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट. यस, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ आपने कस्टमर रिसर्च किया एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, यू वेरीफाइड सर्टेन लूप होल्स एंड इफ यू फील दैट द प्रोडक्ट नीड्स टू बी डेवलप्ड या कुछ चेंजेस ला सकते हैं, सो देन यू विल हैव टू हेल्प इन द प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट स्टेज एज वेल. नेक्स्ट, द स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड. यस, कम्युनिकेशन, एज आपको सेल्स टीम को कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा हाउ टू ड्राइव द प्रोडक्ट. देन कस्टमर सर्विस, बहुत स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए आपके ये वाले स्किल्स, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स आप अगर सेल्स बैकग्राउंड से आए हो देन ही आप कैटेगरी मैनेजर बन रहे हो. सो कस्टमर सर्विस इज वन एस्पेक्ट जो ऑलरेडी आपका स्ट्रांग होगा. नेक्स्ट, लीडरशिप स्किल्स, बिकॉज आपको सेल्स टीम का जो आपके पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी में जो भी सेल्स टीम है उनका परफॉर्मेंस ट्रैक करना है. सो फॉर दोज रीजंस यू नीड टू हैव स्ट्रांग लीडरशिप स्किल्स. बजटिंग should be strong, budgeting skills should be strong. And next, your research skills have to be strong. Now, what is the average salary of a category manager? So अगर आप Amazon, Flipkart जैसे टॉप e-commerce firms में category manager हो, so वहाँ पे जो average salary होता है, it is between 25 to 30 LPA. Okay, so the last role that we have in the list is of business development manager. Now, a lot of people would say कि यार ये तो sales का role है. Yes, more or less BDM and sales same ही होता है, almost same होता है in fact, but BDM का जो role होता है वो majorly, you know, handling the clients and everything. What is the relationship that you have with the clients? It could be B2B, it could be B2C. So generally IT companies में ज़्यादा requirement होता है BDMs का, business development managers का. Now here role क्या होता है? Strengthening a team skills and enhancing the workforce capabilities through training, generating innovative concepts to boost a company's profitability. Of course, आपको revenue generation और इन सब में भी contribute करना पड़ेगा if you are a BDM. Next, developing a strong understanding of companies' products and services. Developing products and services in conjunction with design and sales team, yet another job role. Next, conducting research and on potential customers in specific markets and following up on leads. अगर आप BDM हो तो definitely आपको जो client relationship है वो बहुत strong रखना पड़ेगा. So that is the role of a BDM. Now here, what are the skills that are required? Verbal or written communication skills आपके strong होने चाहिए because आप constantly follow up करते हो with the leads, with the clients. Next, should be able to work with different types of individuals. This skill set is again very mandatory. Able to make effective conversation, should be able to come up with fast solutions to the problems, analyze the strategies that are already in use and come up with the ways to make them better. Now, BDM का जो रोल होता है वो काफी ज्यादा डिसरिस्पेक्टेड रोल माना जाता है इन द इंडस्ट्री, सेल्स की इंडस्ट्री में, बिकॉज टिपिकल सेल्स होता है कई बार BDM, बट व्हेन यू आर डीलिंग विद द क्लाइंट, व्हेन यू आर इन विद B2C, B2B टाइप के आप अगर BDM हो, so then I think you directly deal with the clients and everything. So that is about the BDM skill set. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द एवरेज सैलरी दैट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट? सो अगर आप एमबीए करते हो तो आफ्टर एमबीए द एवरेज सैलरी दैट यू एक्सपेक्ट इज बिटवीन 10 to 12 LPA, नॉट मोर देन दैट. दैट इज द एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ बीडीएम. अगेन डिपेंड्स ऑन आप कौन से कंपनी में जाते हो एज अ बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर, एंड आप कौन से बी स्कूल से यू आर पासिंग आउट, एंड वहाँ पे किस तरीके की कंपनीज आती हैं, किस तरीके के रोल्स आते हैं फॉर बीडीएम. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अनदर फैक्टर. Okay, now the top companies जो आती हैं, top B schools and IIMs, so I have listed down these top companies. So अगर आप इनमें से किसी top company में होते हो, so you can expect the roles, top roles that we discussed, the top 7 roles that we discussed. So you have HUL as the top FMCG firms में HUL है, you have Wipro, Nestle, P&G, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, you have L'Oreal, ये मॉन्डलेज इंटरनेशनल. मॉन्डलेज का भी पैकेज जो है वो 30 LPA, 25 to 30 LPA जाता है. यू हैव आईटीसी, गूगल. गूगल में यू गेट द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड ऑल दोज टाइप ऑफ रोल्स. Microsoft, maybe you get those type of roles. Colgate, Palmolive, you have Amazon again, another e-commerce firm which is great for marketing roles. Flipkart, you have Asian Paints, you have Amul, you have Marico, you have Britannia, you have Reckitt, Benkser, you have Dabur, and there are few more firms. Now, these three firms like Nielsen, IMRB, and Millward Brown, these three firms are good for the market research analyst role that I mentioned previously. Next, Tata Motors, Kellogg's, Pidilite, and Airtel. These are some few top companies, the top companies for marketing roles. Now let us look at the top B schools, top 15 B schools I've mentioned over here. Then you can target if you want to pursue MBA in marketing, जिसमें से सबसे पहले है IIM अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कैलकाटा, यू हैव एक्सेलर जमशेदपुर ऑल्सो, जहाँ पे अच्छे मार्केटिंग फर्म्स आते हैं टू हायर. IIM लखनऊ में भी अच्छे फर्म्स आते हैं, FMS दिल्ली, SPJ IMR में यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट फर्म्स लाइक गूगल. Then you have I am Kozhikode, I am Indore, IFT Delhi over here. Then few more JBIMS Mumbai, SIBM Pune, MDI Gurgaon, and Mica Ahmedabad, as I've mentioned in a lot of videos. Ki if you want to pursue a career into branding, advertising, and communications, then you should be targeting Mica Ahmedabad because it is great college specifically for marketing. के लिए अगर मैं कुछ colleges का नाम लूँ, तो one of them is Mica Ahmedabad. Then you have IMT Ghaziabad. Now IMT Ghaziabad also has a separate program for MBA in marketing. Flagship जो आपका है, जो जनरल MBA है वो तो है ही, बट MBA in marketing भी अलग से है और काफी अच्छे reputed firms आते हैं marketing के in IMT Ghaziabad to hire. Okay, students, so that was it from my side about the MBA in marketing के बारे में जितना information था in detail. I have provided everything to you all. So I hope now all your queries are clear. If you want to stay updated with more updates regards to B school exam and more such specialization related things, that you can also join us on Telegram. You can follow our Telegram channel and daily you can practice questions over there. We conduct quizzes also on a daily basis. So this is the QR for the Telegram channel. You can join us on Telegram channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and make sure you do subscribe to the YT channel, to our YouTube channel as well, so that you do not miss out on any update, because anytime any update would come, especially for the CAT 2024 aspirants out there, बहुत सारे B school के forms already open हैं. And if you want me to make more such specialization videos, if you have any doubt with regards to any specialization, then let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you. Till then, stay tuned to Supergrads.